drugs trafficking and detention of drugs addicts are increasing throughout the year. For your information, pursuant to S39B of the Dangerous Drugs Act 1952, it is an offence punishable by death for an accused of traffic in a dangerous drug or offer to traffic a dangerous drug. Therefore, we need to think the effect that will happen before doing a job such as a drug dealer. When it's too late, do not cry over the spilled milk because life does not rewind. So please say no to the drugs. Hashtag stay away from drugs.
What drug can do to you. Drug overdose happens when someone consumes too much of drug that eventually will poison the body, which can result in fatal. Do you really want to end up like that? Think about it again. Life can be hard sometimes, but drug is not the way to deal with it. Always practice self-positive talk and keep yourself busy to brush off those negative thoughts. Drug kills, remember your loved ones.
Just came home now. Look at it, man. It's already dark outside.
You're so lazy. Can you please shut up? I don't want to hear your voice.
Hey, listen here. I'm just worried about you. You're a woman. It's dangerous for you to be outside.
Look at me. I'm in the home safely. I'm an adult now. So just mind your own business. See what happens if you take drugs? Your family will be destroyed.
What are you doing? You should stop consuming drugs like this, you know. This is illegal and bad for you, you know. Imagine what your family and think if they know you've been consuming drugs like this.
It's okay. No one will know as long as you keep this as a secret. As many already know, the unemployment rate has increased through the years. Many factors can be the reason of what causes the unemployment rate to be increasing, and one of the reasons is drug involvement among our new generation. Once one got themselves into drugs, it is hard to stop. Therefore, don't drop yourself down.